Alright, today I'm gonna show you how to modify this power supply. This one is a little bit different. This is a DPS 2500. In my other videos I was modifying 2000 AA, I believe. So this one, like I said before, is a little different for modification, and I'm gonna show you what I did today to increase the voltage, since as you see the maximum voltage is not the maximum, the voltage is 12.2 set, and then it has the potentiometers that you can increase to 12.8, but in my case it was 12.6. So today I'm going to show you how to increase to 13.3 volts. In order to take this unit apart, we need to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and then basically we need to, this top cover, we need to push it forward, and then that's how you separate that. Just keep watching what I'm going to do. And then just go like that, and then we can set that and then lift the cover. Okay, this is a view from the top, and I just wanted to show you what I did here. So I'm gonna zoom in. Those two resistors, so the bottom one closer to me, I guess I'm gonna show you. This one, VR501, that's what you adjust in the voltage with. And if you follow this line, you will see there is one resistor laying right now. So this one, this is the old one. They used to be soldered right here. Everything small and tiny. So this one, this resistor right now is 5 kilo ohm, but before it used to be 4.4 kilo ohm, this one. So basically I changed that 4.4 kilo ohm for 5, and that's how I increase the voltage. So now I have 13.3 volts. To start the unit, I'm going to show you. You guys need to jump the C2, which is over here. C2 and A6, which is over here. So basically you need to put the jumper between those two pins, and that's how you guys are going to start the unit. So now I'm going to set it, and I'm going to use voltmeter leads to connect to measure the voltage. I'm going to put that, and now I'm going to plug in and see how much we're going to get voltage. Alright, so we are at 13.3 volts, almost 13.4 volts. I can probably gain a little more by adjusting that resistor, probably 13.4, but it's not necessary for me, so I only need 13.3. So that's how you modify this power supply. Okay, this is final result. I already tested this power supply on a BMW for programming. And yeah, just wanted to share with you how it turned out. So it have 3 powerful fans on the top that basically blowing the air towards power supply and blowing out off of each side. And yeah, those like almost 1.6, almost 1.7 amps each fan. So those are noisy, and I was trying to have an adjustable potentiometer so I can reduce the noise by reducing the power from 12 volts or from 13.3 volts to like 6 volts, because again they power, and 6 volts will be enough to keep it cool as power supply. But yeah, they are pulling a lot of amps, and basically this scene that I bought it on Amazon is only like 4 amps. Didn't work out for me, so I'm gonna have to come up with something other. So right now those fans are running full speed, which is again noisy. But yeah, this is how it turns out. Just wanted to show you. And here, what I did, you can watch my other videos on YouTube, how I did the connection here. So it's a copper plates that I soldered to this power supply. That's how I come up with to make connection. So it's a pretty strong connection, and there is a bolt here that bolted those two clamps to those copper plates, and I have those strong clamps too. So again, I tested out, works pretty good. The only thing that I need to play with the noise on those fans. But otherwise, yeah, this is final result.